If you've always wanted to wear your own halo, I'm going to show you how. Hey guys, I'm Alicia, and today I'm going to show you how to make a beaded halo ring. So I'm really kind of obsessed with this ring right now. I love that it has 3 different color beads and 3 different sizes. If you've got a lot of those leftover beads that you don't know what to do with laying around at your house, this is the perfect ring to make, and it just reminds me of a halo. Okay, so the tools and supplies you're going to need for this project are some 20 gauge wire, beads, 3 different size beads, 3 different colors, or whatever you have laying around at your house, cutter, a needle nose plier or a chain nose plier, whatever you have, and a ring mandrel. Okay, so let's get started. So you're going to take some 20 gauge wire, and I just kind of pull it out to where it's a little over a foot of wire, and this is 20 gauge wire, and then you're just going to cut it. And now you're going to take your biggest bead, slide it onto your wire, and find the middle. And then you're going to take a needle nose plier or a chain nose plier, and you're going to push that wire down on both sides. And then you're going to come up to your wire and kind of bring it in just a little so that it looks like this. Do it on both sides. So I'm going to push it and bring it in. Get it right up against that bead. So now it looks like this. And now you're going to take your ring mandrel and you're going to slide that bead onto your ring mandrel. So if you're a 7, go up a size to an 8 because it's going to get smaller as you wrap. Now you're going to go around 2 times on one side, and 2 times on the other side, and then you're going to push those together, and you're going to come up to the top right here, and you're going to do a couple of twists around that bead, and then you're going to slide this off, bring all of those together, and now you're going to start putting some beads. I'm going to start out with one size on one side of the beads. I'm going to add 3 to one side. So you're going to add 3 to one side. You're going to take that piece of wire and you're going to push it up underneath and wrap it around 3 times. And then when you get to the top, you're going to cut that wire off and come in and push that wire down so that it doesn't stick to you or hurt you. And then you're going to take the other side and you're going to add on, I'm going to probably put 5 on. One, 2, 3, 4. Let's see what it looks like with 5. So now you've got this side. I'm going to turn it. Now you're going to push that piece down. And wrap it around 3 times. Come in and cut that. Come back and push that wire down. Then you're going to slide it back on to your mandrel. And you're going to get it all, push it down so that your band is going to be all nice and neat. And then take it off and you've got your halo ring. So let's go back over the tools and supplies you're going to need for this project. You're going to need 20 gauge wire, 3 different size beads, ring mandrel, cutter, and needle nose plier or chain nose plier. If you'd like to pick up any of the supplies I used today, check out the links below. What other ring designs would you like to see us make? Let us know in the comments, like, subscribe, and ring that bell, and we'll see you guys later.